Hi everyone, today I want to talk to all business owners, leaders, creatives, entrepreneurs, especially those like me who rely on their laptops to run their business from morning till night. I'm unboxing the 16-inch MacBook Pro with the M4 Max chip, and I can already tell you this is going to be the perfect laptop for us. And it is heavy. Look at this. It's quite heavy, but not too heavy. But sizable piece of machinery. My business, strategytraining.com, and other businesses that I run are managed on my laptop. I host the Strategy Skills podcast, produce video programs, conduct analysis and research, do different consulting projects. I do Zoom consultations, coach clients, collaborate with strategic partners, and much more. I also offer an AI system for leaders and consultants, which we develop and test on a daily basis, along with many other things. And all of this done on a laptop. My laptop is on approximately from 3 a.m. in the morning till about 9:30, usually to 10, but sometimes 11, sometimes 12, midnight, sometimes a little bit after midnight. So it's on for very long periods of time. There's a lot of pressure on it. It is constantly on, constantly working, transferring heavy files, doing a lot of things, multitasking, multiple tabs open, multiple browsers open, a lot it has to do, video editing software, all kinds of things. It needs to be a very powerful machine, a beast. And this is what I think this laptop is going to be. And I really cannot wait to start using it. I'm upgrading from 2019 MacBook Pro 15-inch with an Intel UHD 630 GPU, which has been both a trusted companion but also an endless frustration. The fan, it kicks in and it keeps on running and it makes noise and it can barely handle anything. I open Premiere Pro, the fan goes on. I export a video, the fan goes on for another 2 hours after that. It can barely handle anything. It can barely handle just Zoom open and everything else closed and empty. Lots of storage on the laptop. Maybe then it will not run, but even then the fan may run just in the middle of the podcast, or after I start recording, the fan goes on. I was in constant fight with this fan, and a huge amount of my time was going towards making sure that this fan is not going to start running during a recording. For example, if I'm recording an executive coaching call with a group of clients and we record it so our clients can go back and listen to replays, because we do very intensive work and a lot is done and sometimes it's easy to miss something, so they can go back and listen to it again. Or for example, if I'm recording a Zoom recording for a podcast, Strategy Skills podcast, or if I'm recording a session for an event, a summit, for example, that I'm running, that fan was constantly causing trouble and creating this sense of stress for me. To record my podcasts, I had to shut down everything except Zoom. Even then, fan noise would sneak into the audio, making editing a nightmare. And forget multitasking. It felt like I was tiptoeing around my own laptop. That's why I'm so excited about upgrading to the M4 Max MacBook Pro. This machine promises performance, silence, and seamless multitasking. Exactly what I need to run my business. Apple never disappoints with their unboxing experience. Minimalistic, refined, and elegant. Look at this, the 16-inch MacBook Pro in silver. Classic, professional, and exactly what you would expect from a tool designed for business leaders. It's sleek, elegant, and it means business. The Magic Keyboard feels incredible, and a Touch ID sensor, a small feature with big impact. It saves a lot of time, it's fast, secure, and perfect for keeping your work safe. As a business owner, I need a laptop that can handle everything I throw at it. Here's why this upgrade is monumental. The M4 Max chip has a 16-core CPU, making multitasking much easier. My understanding is I can be recording podcasts, editing 4K videos, and this machine should not be even breaking a sweat. 64 gigabytes of unified memory should ensure I can switch between tasks without any lag. A 2 terabytes SSD should give me plenty of storage for podcast episodes, research, client files. Connectivity is crucial in my business, and this laptop delivers 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports for lightning fast data transfers, an SDXC card slot for quick access to program assets, and of course HDMI, MagSafe 3, and a headphone jack. It's all here. But what I'm most excited about is the silence. No more noisy fans interrupting my recordings. I can finally focus on the conversation without worrying about background noise. This MacBook is built to handle my workload effortlessly. No more closing apps or tiptoeing around limitations. I can focus on getting the work done. The 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is stunning, very beautiful. It's perfect for reviewing research, editing videos, or just managing your business. Bright, clear, and easy on the eyes, it's a joy to work on. For business owners like me, this upgrade is really worth it. I'm really looking forward to using this laptop. It feels like the ultimate tool for business owners. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing video. If you are a business owner looking for the perfect laptop to help you grow your business, I hope this gave you some clarity. Let me know in the comments what is one feature you are most excited about when it comes to this laptop. Be sure to check out the rest of the channel where I share my insights, lessons, ideas on building a sustainable business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.